All right, welcome to this episode of Transformation Club. And today we have Abhishek from our community who has gone through the 2XP growth program in the last 2 months and has achieved tremendous transformation personally in the way he is acting, in the way his habits have changed, in the way his thinking patterns have changed, in the way he has become more confident in whatever he's doing right now. So, welcome Abhishek. Thank you so much for coming here and being a part of this Transformation Club.
Yeah. Hello, sir. Thank you very much for inviting me for this interview, and I'm literally very honored to be giving this interview with you and sharing my experience of 2XP growth program, the way things have changed in my life, and I'm very happy to share things,
Great.
and so that others can get help from me.
Yes. So,
Yeah.
tell me something. What do you do right now, Abhishek, so that people can know what you're doing?
Yeah, I've done my civil engineering graduation. I'm a 2017 batch pass out guy, and presently I am a student. I am preparing for government jobs like PSC, Public Service Commission exams, and right now my studies are going well.
Okay, great. So, 2 to 3 months back, before you joined the program, how was your life in terms of your habits or thinking patterns and stuff?
My habits were I was just living in the flow. There was not discipline in my life, like a particular routine. I was not following any routine in my life. What this program made me to realize that we have to, for any goal which we set, if we have to prepare for it, we have to prepare in all the five aspects of our life. We have to prepare in our mindfulness patterns. We have to prepare our EQ. We have to prepare our IQ, and uh, even our spirituality, little bit of spirituality, to have that belief in the Almighty or universe, and our studies. So before, I used to just keep on studying. I mean, that was my life, and I used to do things randomly. Like if I suddenly like to play a video game, I used to play it for 2 hours, 3 hours, like that. I used to not have the discipline in my life. What this program taught me, that discipline is very important. No matter how much the talent we have, to harness this talent, we have to have discipline.
Yeah.
So, and I used to know this, to have the discipline. I used to watch so many YouTube videos and all, but how to have those discipline, how to have those routines, and how to make those patterns like in a very constructive way, that I learned from this program. And now I have a complete clear cut idea of what to do every day to achieve my goal, to achieve my outcome, and everything is just fantastic now. I'm just happy because I'm not yet achieved my goal, but I'm already happy that I know now that the actions which I'm doing will definitely reach me there.
Yes.
That is what the result. And before, I used to procrastinate, and I used to be lazy, and the because of this pandemic and all, due to lockdown, many exams were cancelled and many exams were postponed. I used to get a lot of negative thoughts because of that, whether because I resigned from a job to prepare for this exam. So I used to get the negative of fear of the future, like do I get the job, or government job, did I take the right decision. I used to have that. While leaving the job, I was very confident, but after this lockdown and pandemic, it was very difficult, because no exams have been called regularly since 1.5 years. So I used to have that fear and all, but now I'm really confident. I have an particular outcome. I have action plans to reach there, and what if that happens, I'm well prepared in advance for a few things, which are the challenges I'll be facing. And I am like I have a backup plan also, the right backup plan, which is my passion oriented. I found my passion in this program. What is my passion actually? And I was happy to know that I was in the right field. My passion was this, and I was in the right field. That made me still more confident, and my self-esteem actually increased. That I am confident in whatever I do now.
Great.
That is what has happened. Yeah.
Great, amazing. Yeah, the way you have transformed in just 2 to 3 months was really amazing.
Yeah, thank
Right?
you.
And what was the best part about the what topics or what assignments or what certain topics of the program did you really made a difference in your life?
Yeah, the values. Before to take any decisions for me, it was very difficult. Taking that decision itself I used to get so much stressed. So even after taking one decision, I was not happy in that. Even the other decision also, if I change it, I was not even happy in that, because I used to think so much to take a decision. But when I figured out my values here, now it's very easy for me to take any decision. Like in just a fraction of second, I'll just go. I know my values, and just it's done, because I have thought and I have processed and I have got guidance to have those values, and I got to know from you that my values are in line with my life and my goal and all. So I'm really confident about my values, and I'm really bound to my values, and I'm following it every day.
Great.
Satisfying my values is just what gives me the result, gives me the satisfaction of that particular day which I am doing. And that thing, and the smart action plans for the outcome. Before, I used to have a goal. Because of that goal only, I was preparing for the exams. But now, the right action plans in a written format, like a blueprint. Every day when I wake up, what I have to do from morning till I sleep, what particular thing I have to do to reach my goal after a year, like that. That action plan, I have it now, and that gives me a confidence and a stress relief. Like I know what to do exactly at this particular moment, at this time, for how much I have to do.
You don't have to think and much, just do it.
Yeah, just do it. That's it. And just doing those things is just if I do my action plan of that particular day, is just I think that's a success for me. Yes. Not the success which I get after reaching the goal.
Correct.
I mean, all the controllable things which I can do rightly, it's just a success. If I have that now, even if I fail in that, I'll just learn from it. That's it.
Correct.
I'll change my action plans again. I'll modify them, and I follow it, and I'll reach it. That's
Great.
it.
Great, amazing. So you being a student, I know a lot of students right now, because of this pandemic and stuff, they're going through a lot of stress or depression or overthinking, or addictions to unproductive habits like gaming or social media. Why do you think this program is important for every student, or how can students benefit from this? What do you think, because of your experience, when you're studying for your government exams and stuff?
Yeah, I mean, in our student life, from our childhood, like for example, I was very good at studies. I take that example for people who are good at studies, like but after till your high school, your talents and your IQ will be helping you. Like it will be very easy. We'll be in a very disciplined, constructive environment in our school. It will be disciplined, organized, and we'll be with our friends, and we'll be moving on. But what happens after that is even our parents just tell us that you have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do this. But nobody tells us that how we have to do that. What are the plans we have to do that, or how to prepare ourselves. That nobody just tells us. I mean, this program actually taught that, like how we have to be mentally, physically, and even like fun and recreations, how they help us, and our thoughts, how they help us, and the affirmations, how they help us. All these things actually really help me. Like all students, like they have to go through a proper process, like having a good mentor and reach their goal. Like I felt that because before I used to just think that only studying will give me the results, but that is not the true thing. You have to be like, you have to play sports, you have to have, and all these positive impacts of the other things, like even if you meditate, or even if you do yoga and exercise, how they impact our productivity in what we do. That's what I learned from this program, and that's what I tell all the students here.
Great. And what difference do people around you see in you now? Your friends, your family, do they notice a difference?
Yeah, I mean, they have not told me that you have changed like that, but I can feel that change before. The way I used to interact with everyone, I used to get angry for stuffs and all. Now I know the people who are in line with my values, people who are my well wishers. Now I'm able to decide those things, and I just ignore the other people, and I just focus on few people which are important to me, which who loves me. And even if they say something, now I don't get angry because they are my well wishers. I take the label, any label from them, and
Yes.
that is what I got.
Great, great. So, what is your biggest takeaway from? What are the three biggest takeaway from this 2 months or 2 to 3 months of program? What are the? If you have to ask you, what are the three biggest takeaway? What will be those?
Like first thing will be the values, which I learned how to have values to make easy decisions, and the affirmations, how they help, uh, and after that is the smart action plan.
Great. How
I
to
mean,
plan?
everything were good, but these three were like I thought that these three were very much required for me, and these three things changed me a lot, changed my thinking, and change and even reduce my stress. I'm happier now.
Great. Thank you so much. Any before we close this, do you want anything else to share?
And nothing else, but I want to share if like any students who are there, like we have to have ambitions in our life. Like I had ambitions since from my high school itself, but we should not be over ambitious. Like uh, the ambitions are small goals, which we said it should be achievable. Only then the small steps will take us to a bigger ambitions. We can't jump like 6 feet in a single day. We have to practice from small baby steps, and then we have to reach there. But what I did was that mistake I did. I used to be over ambitious. I'll do this, I'll do that, and that everything I used to go, and I used to get stressed, and nothing was happening properly. I was not having a plan. So right structure and right mentors will definitely help us.
Great. Thank you so much, Abhishek. Thank you so much for coming in and sharing your experience. And
Thank you, sir.
I wish you all the best. I'm so happy with the transformation you had. And
Yeah,
I wish you get all the success, you clear your exams well. And I'll see you in a good position soon.
yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Actually, I'm very grateful for you. I've told you many times in our program. This program has helped me a lot, and like I've taken like suggestions from other people who have taken other programs, and they say that this program will transform us through it. Along with it, the way it moves, the assignments you give, it transforms us. Not only just motivate us, keep our morale up. It transforms us in 2.5 months, and I'm very happy now, and I thank you so much
Great, great.
for giving me this opportunity to be part of your group.
Yes, definitely. It all comes down to you. You took the action that is more important. You're very disciplined, you're very committed, you're doing your assignments, attending the morning sessions also, right? So,
Uh,
great. All the best. Continue the practice
yeah, thank you.
and take care. Bye.
Bye.